Alright, everybody. You asked for strobes. Here's your damn strobes. As you can see, in case you're wondering if you're thinking that's a 792, actually, no, it is not. This is the rare speaker strobe variant. Well, the 25 volt series. This is a model number 792. This is a model number 76578-006. So, I purchased this device. I'm the second one to have this besides Kyle's Mass Productions on YouTube and Instagram. So as you can see, this is basically the predecessor. This is basically much like the 792. It's the predecessor to the Integrity, which is more common than this. Whereas, and yet, chime strobe variants also exist, which is something that only New England Elevators has. So, you can see there's the EST logo, and you can see these little wires, these little pigtail wires are for the strobe. The reason why there's 4 of them is that way you could easily use the other pair for the next device on the circuit. This, I believe, oh damn it. I believe this little jumper is for your wattage selection, and I have no idea how you're able to wire up the speaker to the where the speaker terminals are at. I wonder if it's these 4 right here. You can see it has a date code of the 24th week of 1995. Edwards, headquartered in Farmington, Connecticut. Audible visual device for the hearing impaired. But however, it says warning, private mode only, not for the hearing impaired. I wish Edwards would make up their fucking minds, because they did the same thing to the Genesis series. Is particularly on models particularly after the first generation, when they started releasing the multi-candela models, like the G1RF HDVM and the white variant, the G1F HDVM. So, as you can see, this is much like the 792 and the 732, which would be the chime strobe variants. This is the predecessor to the Integrity, because it has the same strobe as the Integrity. However, this is a similar strobe, not the identical strobe found in the Integrity. But however, it is found on the first gen Integrities, like the 75778HS. But however, for the second generations and the current generation Integrities, the strobe was shrunken. And no, these did not feature a power saver strobe feature like the Integrities did. So, this has a 25 volt RMS speaker, but however, the 767 series is the 70 volt RMS speaker, or versions, which come in 7A and 8A strobes, which I believe 8A is 110 candela and 7A is 1575 candela. So, yeah. And I have no idea how, like I said, I have no idea how you're going to hook up the speaker, which is it these 2 terminals on this circuit chip, but this is what selects your wattage. As you can tell, this is 25 watts. This is 0.25 watts. This is I have it set on 2 watts. So this is 1 watt, 1/2 watt, and 1/4 watt. 2 watts, 1 watt, 1/2 watt, and 1/4 watt. So, and there's your 4 mounting holes. However, the integrity, the successors, had a mounting bracket system, and as you can see, it does not have the candela rating sticker like the integrities have. These never came with the candela stickers, but it does show you on the label. It's kind of hard to read with the speaker in the way, so yeah. Indoor strobe speaker, there's the model number right there, if you can see it, 765-7A006. The UL is, as you can see, and this only appears to be UL listed in Canada. Strobe is 175, is 75 candela? I thought it was 1575. 20 to 24 volts DC, 1 flash per second. And yeah. Although I shouldn't have used that famous pun on this particular device, because this isn't the 792, like I said. This is the speaker strobe version. I don't know if you can use the "here's your damn strobes" pun on this device. More likely you can, but however, yes, I do watch Two Ply Boy here and there. I've known that YouTube channel. His YouTube channel was banned at some point, but then I think it was banned, or was it deleted? I'm not sure. And then his channel came back, and then yeah. But however, it does not feature all of his videos. Is when he got his channel back. It featured some of his old videos, but I don't know if. But he's been really inactive since his latest video, when he got his channel back. So yeah, as you can see, this is a very rare device. I am the second one, besides Kyle's Mass Productions on YouTube, to own one of these. So, as you can see, there's the manual. There's the manuals right here. The instruction manual. Edwards Systems Technology, unit of General Signal. That was General Signal. General Signal is no longer Edwards' parent company. GE Security was Edwards' parent company afterwards, and then both GE Security and Edwards got sold to United Technologies Corporation. And there's the installation requirements and the UL stats and all that. And then there's all the model numbers. It could take both filtered DC and full wave rectified outputs. The strobe, but the speaker can only take a 25 volt input. 25 volt root mean square input. So yeah. Anyways, although this is an unbiased file and review, but I feel like testing it so you could see the strobe work. If I could, yeah. These things, if I can get this to stay, so I can actually connect the wires to the battery. So, connect positive to positive. Damn it. Oh, fuck. Three, two, one. If I can connect. Well, here's the strobe working. But like I said, it's going to take me a while to figure out how to hook up the speaker. If you know how to, please leave a comment section down below. So anyways, that's the strobe in action. Anyways, thank you for watching.